Alright, market is opening in 12 seconds. It's Wednesday today. Let's see what price want to do. My bias for the day, honestly, I don't think I will be taking a trade because we had CPI news. But I'm looking for a continuation of the high time frame. Continuation of the trend. So I am bullish on the day. Looking for some sort of sell side to get taken out. My mic is really far away. Don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's alright. Anyways, looking for some sort of sell side to get taken out. If not, if we do take out news data highs, I might trade to news data lows, which is a small trade. So it will look something like that. Probably a 1-to-1 risk to reward. But I don't think I'll be taking a trade today. I'll mark the 10 a.m. candle out. Same for ES. Man, these ads are annoying, bro. The reason why I'm even looking at the charts today is because recently market has been really volatile. So even though we had news previously, prior to this hour, we still got decent volume in the market, as you can tell. CPI kinda ate though. We got tons of low resistance on the high time frame too, on the downside. My phone is currently charging right now, so I don't enter a trade or, get rushed into trading, so that I would take my time and be more patient with the trade. That's why I left it charging. And yes, I do enter on my phone. I use MetaTrader. It's linked to my broker, IC Markets. I am not an affiliate. Shut the hell up, man. I don't do no paid promotions, man. I'm built different. We got 5 minute, low time frame, low resistance on the 5 minute. Let's see if we want to take those out. I'll be entering really low size today just because of news. And, yeah, man. Just because of news, man. And I don't really have a daily profile. We had accumulation on London session, distribution for Asia session. So technically we are in the manipulation phase. We are manipulated Asia highs, not really. But I'm still looking for continuation. Kind of ass on the 1 minute. This is what news does, man. Escape 925 with Octa trading. Nah, man, I'm good. I already have a broker. Anyways, I've already recorded Playbook episode 5, which is fair value gaps. I'm not done editing, bro. I'm not done editing it. Editing. I haven't edited it yet, bro. And the reason why I've recorded it early is because I won't have time over the weekends. So I gotta find some time during the weekdays to record it and then post it hopefully on the weekends. I got 36 hours shift over the weekend, over 3 days, so that's like 12 hours each. Same like the previous week. It's no biggie. Light work, man. Gotta make some sacrifices. You hear me? So I will not be trading tomorrow. I will not be trading on Friday. I've only taken one trade this week, which was on Monday. And it was a no news Monday. Fine with taking one trade a week, honestly. I used to take trades every day, man. I think that was honestly one thing that was holding me back or limiting myself. Getting legs up, man. If we do take out these highs before we take out the lows, I may take a trade to the downside. But if we continue pushing, I'm gonna just end it there, bro. One trade a week, it's fine with me. Man, my chair used to be the most comfortable chair ever, till there's a hole in it. Now it's like, it's hurting my back. And I've looked it up, it costs like $1,000 to $2,000 for the chair. It's a Herman Miller ergonomic something Aeron chair. I don't know, man. You should try it out. It honestly feels great in good condition. I'm gonna have it repaired after this week when I have the time, because after this event I should be free most of the month. I don't know, man. See where life takes us. I'm in it to win it. Anyways, stop with these ads, man. The reason why I marked up the 10 a.m. candle is because once this 9 a.m. candle closes, I want to see if we make a high. If we do, I will ideally trade to those highs. But if we don't, we're kinda cooked. We may take out Asia session lows. It's a big May, man. Got a bearish fair value gap right now. Do not care for that. Sticking to my bias. If we do get a trade, then we do get a trade. If we don't, we don't. That's how it is. That's how you stick with your strategy. Learn when not to take a trade. You might damn, bro. We might feel this bearish fair value gap and just take all the lows, man. The phlegm is insane, bro. Precision's kinda ass though. Don't seem like something I'll be trading, honestly. We got low resistance on the 5 minute. If I do get a trade to the upside, this is gonna be my first TP. Then my dog be crazy. I know you hear that shit. That's how great my mic is, bro. They're literally, oh, dang, bro. They're literally downstairs. I'm upstairs in my room, and you can still hear them bark through my mic. That's crazy. You can hear me breathe too. Anyways, I didn't trade yesterday too, because I was out, but I was monitoring what price was doing. I didn't plan to trade, just wanted to see what price was doing. I mean my entry wasn't presented in my time frame, which is between 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So didn't change much. Didn't miss out on anything. What's it feel like cologne? I don't remember. Rolling, flooded, diamonds, flawless, bad, radish, big, bodish. Wanna see this get taken out, man. Damn, bro. I'm gonna go grab my phone to mark out those 5-minute highs. Alright, took out those lows, took out these lows. I don't see why we won't take out these lows, honestly. Their low resistance should get taken out. ES have yet to take out any of those lows. What the hell is song is this, bro? I know you want me, yeah. Probably gonna risk 1% of my live account again today. Definitely won't be trading on this 1.5k account. This is really slow scaling, I know, but this is how I'm gonna make it work. Yeah, this might just be the... We get a 5-minute SMT too. Go enter on ES if I do take a trade. I'm gonna blur the screen out so you guys can't see what I'm doing. Let's see if we close above the 79 line. If we do, we should be good to go. Got 20 seconds left. Maybe not. Enter one right here. Just because it's not a good risk to reward. If we do pull back to this fair value gap, get a rejection out of it, I will enter another. Because ideally, if this is a pullback, if we do get a pullback, should be equilibrium of the range. For now, we're just gonna wait, sit on our hands with that one position. We got 1 minute to see if this is a SMT. I'm gonna delete this and no, I'm gonna leave that there. Now I'm gonna delete this. We might get a 5-minute entry though. Ain't even gonna lie. We got an SMT. Baby cakes, you just don't know how I am. Damn, bro, baby cakes. Man, I really wish I could be playing music for you guys, man. Damn restrictions. Damn copyright. You just don't know how I am. Alright, if we do break structure on the 5 minute, I'ma enter another one. Because we had SMT, swept those lows. And then for that position, I'm gonna be aiming for these highs. Ideally. Because those are my long time frame plays, sort of. Higher time frame play. You know what? Hold it. I'm not gonna enter on the break. I'm gonna sit on my hands, bro. Gotta be patient. Thinking about decorating my room, man. You guys got any idea what I should do? No? Alright. Yeah, we might go for ace of chess and lows, bro. Not even gonna lie. We got a break of structure. Damn. We might just consolidate the whole session. Let's see if we pull back to this 5 minute fair value gap. I'm gonna need a retrace before I take my second entry. Take it off for me, you know why. You know why. Oh, it's 10 a.m., bro. We got those hourly highs now. Right here. something. Assumptions. Anyways, I'll show my entry later on, whether I won or lost. Just so you guys can't say, oh, this guy is bullshitting me. The trade is real, man. You just don't know how much money I'm putting in or out. I mean, how much money I'm winning or losing. And you will never know. Maybe next time. You know what? Yeah, you know what? If you don't know what a SMT is, wait for my video, man. It's coming out sometime around this year. Just chill, man. Or go look up other YouTubers' SMT video. But I will get into it next time, man. Like I've said, I've planned the whole playbook out. Let me check, bro. Playbook series, yeah. Playbook series. It's gonna be in episode, wait, if Fair Value Gap is episode 5, 6, 7, 8. Episode 8 will be SMT. It's called a smart money trap. I don't know why it's called SMT, bro. Why is it even called a, what's that called? A trap? When it's just literally it's just divergence, bro. Hopefully we do get a break of structure to the downside. Ow. Damn, bro. God damn, bro. Bro, that shit hurt. Honestly, I really expected today to be a slow day. We got CPI. And we're getting a break of structure to the downside right now. Maybe not. Yeah. One minute SMT ski. Yet to feel the fair value gap, so I'm not taking the trade. I'm a hot girl. Yeah. Man, we're gonna start printing barcodes by 10:15. If we don't get anything, I must pause the recording till something happens. Then I'll give you guys an update. 20 million, that's not enough. I was 15. I was 16. Alright, let's break structure to the downside. Damn. Equilibrium is all the way down here. I'm gonna see how this 5-minute candle closes. If it closes good, I might enter another. We'll see. Alright, I've entered another. We also broke structure to the upside on NQ. Right here. Alright, no more trades for me today, man. That's all I'm willing to risk. especially on this low volatility day, low volume day. Took a 5-minute entry. My first trade was here. Once again, early entries, risk to rewards not that great because I'm only aiming the low bearing fruit. 1-to-1 seems about right. Second entry is right here. Stops here. A better risk to reward. The reason why I put my stops at these lows instead of these lows is because honestly, risk management, man. If I were to put my stops at these lows, I might as well enter another aggressive trade entry or an early trade entry. But nah, man. Now I'm thinking, if I do hit my first TP, do I move to break even for my second entry? I might. We'll see. If NQ does take out these highs before ES, I will close my first position just so we don't get an SMT or whatever over there. Keeping it 100. I'm watching NQ just in case we take those highs first. We also invalidated this fair value gap right here. Bearish fair value gap, but I'm not gonna mark that out. Stop recording at 10:30. NQ seems to be lagging a little. Low resistance right here, here. How do we tell it's low resistance? Trend line highs or lows. Those are low resistance liquidity. The end of the low resistance liquidity is the highest high. As you can tell, this is a trend line. I don't trade trend line, bro. Shut the hell up. This is a trend line highs, which is low resistance liquidity. That's all it is, man. Yeah, NQ seems to be lagging a little. Metro Boomin wants some more. Automatic in the trunk. Shoot the maggots with the pump. On my arm, with a static. Gonna hear me singing the same song over and over again, man. My playlist is not big, man. What do I have to do this week? This week I just got work. I'm done recording the playbook. Next week should be fire. I haven't checked the news for next week. We got a news Monday. That shit annoying, man. Core retail sales should be fine. I'm fine with trading. Damn. What up, guys? Alright, guys, I gotta do something real quick. Bear with me for a moment. Oh, hell no. I'll be right back. I'ma keep my mic muted. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I am back. Sorry for that. Anyways, got a call. That is why I had my mic muted for a while. Generally don't like editing videos. That's why I try to keep my videos just with the charts, you know. If I do have to edit a video, like ton of editing, the shit's not coming out, bro. It's literally just gonna be, it's gonna take like hours or days, bro. Like one of the videos I did, I can't even remember which. Now ES seems to be lagging. Not really. Geeked up, geeked up, geeked up, geeked up. Ken Carson, man. Mayo. Geeked up, geeked up, geeked up, geeked up. Alright, I've decided I'm not gonna move to break even for my second position. Just because it's a 5-minute what's it called, man? It's a 5-minute a higher time frame trade. Or should I, bro? See, these are the decisions we have to make. We'll talk about that later, man. Let's see how the first trades go first. Let's see how the first trade plays out. Damn, me dog be barking. Me dog be going crazy, man. Bets on me. Bets on me. If only NQ and ES has the same candle right now. If only ES had the same candle as NQ right now, that'll be great. Anyways, I will still stop the recording at 10:30. Just so the video isn't that long. It's already an hour long. I didn't even know, bro. You gotta be kidding me, man. Have you guys traded Forex before? The only thing I've traded up to now is futures, gold. I don't know if that counts as forex, but I don't think so. And crypto for short term. Right now I only do stocks and crypto for long term, and futures for my short term. This kind of sad, bro. Alright, my TP got hit. I know it. Oh wait, it did. Alright, TP1 hit. The recording stops in 3 minutes. Then we'll jump to the future and talk to Future Igloo. Slow day today. Fine with that. NQ took out those highs too, but those are just 5-minute highs. Ideally we get a push up. We might get some sort of retrace. I don't know to where, but ideally we go up, because the main point of this is, the reason why I want to see it take out these hourly highs is to see whether my bias was right or wrong and see where I can improve on. That's it, man. Before you window, reaching in the distance. Also for my second trade, hold up, gotta check something. Alright, I'm not moving to break even. I'm just gonna let the trade play out. If we do lose the second trade, my first trade covers it, so we'll be break even on the day. Maybe I should de-risk, bro. Nah, I'm sticking to my plan, man. I'm not touching shit. Because those are my draws. Open up another window. Oh, what I wanted to say was, for my second trade, if NQ does take out the highs first, same thing, I'll close my position out so we don't make an SMT there, because ES might be a lagging index and form a lower high, which is what we don't want. Yeah, man. Alright, it is 10:30 AM right now. No, the video has not jumped. I'm just here to say I'll see you in a bit once either my TP or stop loss get hit. And yeah, man, I'll see you later. I mean, it'll be now for you, but anyways, peace. Alright guys, so we are back. I'm gonna make this really quick. Don't got much time. Anyways, we lost the second trade. We were really close to TP. Unfortunately, we got stopped out right before we hit TP. But I'm totally fine with that because my first trade covers the loss for the second trade. And also, I actually made a bit on the day, even though I took the loss. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through the trade one more time for those people who weren't paying attention. Alright, so today I was looking for a continuation of the trend because we don't have a clear daily profile. We had this accumulation during London session, so I was looking for actually I wasn't looking for anything but just continuation of the trend. That was my daily bias, that's why I was going for longs. Right when market open, we pushed down, took out these sell sides, low resistance liquidity on the 5 minutes. ES didn't, but we formed a SMT. I zoomed in to the 1 minute. There. After we swept the liquidity on NQ, I knew we were going to make a SMT. So I zoomed into the 1 minute. We closed above the 79 line right here. Went for my early entry, stops at the low. My first TP. My first TP were this 5 minute low resistance liquidity right here. Not a good risk to reward, but that's what the early entry is for. It's supposed to have high win rate but lower risk to reward, I believe. Smash the first TP. Oops. I'm gonna delete this and all of this. Right after, on the 5 minute, we broke structure to the upside. We tapped back into this 5 minute bullish fair value gap. We got a strong rejection out of it, entered longs, stops at the previous low, not the most recent low, to get a better risk to reward. Targets were hourly highs, which were also new stated highs. And we got stopped out, but it was fine because the winnings for the first trade covers the loss for the second trade, and I also made a bit more, so I was totally okay with that. Low risk today because of news. Won't be trading for the rest of the week. That is pretty much all, man. Gonna be deleting. I'm not gonna be deleting anything. We'll leave all this here. Anyways, this week wasn't too bad. I'm still up on the week, and I'm also up on the month because the month just began. This is the second week. The first week I only took one trade or two, but the winner was way bigger than the loser, so I'm still up pretty good on the week. On the month, so that's great. For the next 2 weeks, I'll probably be trading more, probably have more time, so that's great. That is all, man. I've got nothing else I want to say. We also took out Ace Session lows, man. It took me like 2 hours to get stopped out, or 3 hours, man. That's crazy. I wasn't even looking at the trade no more. I just set a alert on NQ. If NQ were to take out the highs, I was just gonna close my position. Sadly we didn't, but all in all that was a great loss. Followed my strategy, followed everything. Could have been a better day, man. Nah, it was a great day. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this trade recap. If you did, like and subscribe. If you didn't, like and subscribe. I'll leave a link of my socials in the description. Be sure to follow my TikTok. Appreciate it, man. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. See ya.